Welcome to today's episode. I am going to share with you a cool technique that I learned in preschool, how to turn the word boy into an actual boy. So stay tuned. Today I'm going to share with you how to draw the word boy and turn it into an actual boy. I learned this trick when I was in preschool in Los Angeles, California at a place called the Children's Enrichment Center. It's a really cool and easy, simple trick. You can do it in under 30 seconds. It's something cool to share with your kids or the artist in your family. And this was actually my very first shirt design. They allowed me to use this boy trick and put it on a t-shirt. My teacher, Miss Gloria, was one of my biggest influences on me and my art journey. She told me that I could not draw stick figures. In fact, when I drew a stick figure, she balled it up in my face and threw it in the trash. And she was very, very adamant about me drawing lines the way they looked. So she said, a line has here and here. It is not just one line. I did not know and never even thought that this would be the beginning of my journey as an artist. And it's so cool that, my mom still keeps this shirt till today. It's a really big milestone in my art journey. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys today. So let's get started.
So grab you a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper, and I'm going to show you two ways you can do this. So let's first start with drawing out the word boy. It's B, O, and Y. Now we're going to connect the top of the B to the right side of the Y and connect the bottom of the B to the Y. At the top of the Y is where we can make his hairline. We want to color in his eyes in the center of the B and the O. Give him a little ear right here. Next, you scribble in some eyebrows. Give him an upside down U for a nose. Squiggle in a little smile, a little smirk. Then I'm just going to color in his hair right here. Now that is the first way to draw a boy. This is another way. And there's actually a lot of different variations that you can do this, but this is the one that I learned. So we're going to start with drawing boy again. This time you can tell that the Y is a little different. I'm going to bring that Y over, make a cap, connect the bottom of the B to the Y, the top of the B to the Y, color in those eyes, give him his little eyebrows, put his face in there. And this is more of a baseball helmet look that I learned. Put LV for Las Vegas, shout out the Aviators. I'm just going to sketch in just a quick little body. Like I said, there are a bunch of different ways you can draw the word boy and turn it into a boy. This was the one I learned, and this is just a quick little tutorial on how to do it. Give him some legs. Some big feet. I'm gonna give him some big feet. And boom.
And it's simple as that. Just like that, you created a sketch by using the word boy. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. You should definitely share it with the artists in your life. If you like this channel, please subscribe right now. Go ahead and tap that button, smash the like button. Also hit the bell for notifications to check out future videos just like this. I really hope you enjoyed it today. I thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.